And so it is raining again this early January. It's January 1 and it is raining here in the villa. So with this kind of rain that it is intermittent, I think take time. It will take time for it to stop, but this is unusual because as you can notice far from us, like in Musafa, that is somewhat like 30 minutes ride by the bus from this point. It is sunny, and in this section it is raining. So half of the entire of Abu Dhabi, it is sunny, and then half of it is raining. So well, it is good for the plant as it is being watered gradually, not abruptly. That's good anyway. But it is cold, and while of course waiting for the rain to stop, it's better to drink coffee. So good to taste Ali Cafe. Yeah, it's cafe. It's coffee, but that's the brand Ali Cafe. From Ali, I think he is the husband of Aling, right? Let's try to look at the other side of the villa. So the gradual dripping of the rain allows the other plants such as this papaya to be watered also, and this lime. Another plant such as saluyot, and it thrived here. I believe there are plenty of seedlings of saluyot down there. So it stops now, I think. Can you see the sun? It is getting stronger, I think. I hope so that it will be like poured at one time, not like this. Again, guys, it is windy. There's a strong wind. So I tried to go out and trying to figure out, you can see even the moringa is being harassed by the wind, strong wind. Being harassed, I think uh, just being, you know, hampered like a lullaby, right? See, oh, the sun is being covered right now with clouds, but the rain really, to the delight of the eggplant, it gave, plenty of eggplant fruit here. You can see that? Yes, plenty of eggplant fruit. Wow. Let's have a look again whether we can go now. Okay, I think we can go. The cloud is not that thick right now. I can go. We can proceed. So You don't have signal here.
Signal.
Hindi na makaabot ang signal dito. Hindi na makaabot ang signal dito. Okay guys, so thank you.